Welcome to our guide on navigating background checks for permanent residents and naturalization applicants. Whether you're planning international travel as a lawful permanent resident or applying for naturalization, understanding the steps involved in background checks is essential. In this video, we will provide insights on where to look and how to address any past issues that may arise during this process. Let's get started with the initial steps. Let's start with an overview of what we will cover in this video. First, we will walk through the initial steps you should take when navigating background checks. Then, we'll expand your search to more comprehensive checks. Following this, we will address how to handle any past issues you may have encountered. Finally, we'll discuss key considerations before applying for naturalization and end with a necessary disclaimer. To start navigating background checks as a permanent resident or naturalization applicant, it's essential to check several sources. Begin by exploring county court records for any criminal charges in the counties where you have lived. Be sure to also review any traffic infractions you may have on record. While traffic violations are generally less significant, they're still a part of your background. Once you've completed the initial steps, consider expanding your search to state-level checks and the Federal Bureau of Investigation. Explore state-level criminal history databases to gain a more comprehensive view of your background. These databases provide a central repository for criminal records accessible to you. Additionally, request your identity history summary from the FBI for an in-depth record of any arrests and charges processed by the FBI. Let's see how well you're following along. Here's a quiz question for you. What should you check first when navigating background checks? Is it county court records, FBI identity history, traffic infractions, or consulting an attorney? You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer to the quiz question is county court records. Starting with county court records helps you identify any issues at the local level first. When it comes to addressing any past issues, some of the key areas to tackle include identity theft, where gathering documentation, such as police reports and bank statements, can help support your case if you face inquiries, and old bounce checks, which require specific attention. Investigate any outstanding issues with bounce checks, even if they occurred years ago. It is crucial to resolve them, even if you believe they might be covered by statutes of limitation. Here are a couple of key considerations to keep in mind. First, disclosure is absolutely crucial. Be honest and transparent in your application for naturalization, disclosing any past issues or concerns, even if they appear to be minor or resolved. Next, consult an immigration attorney if you have any doubts or concerns. This professional can review your background thoroughly and provide tailored advice based on your specific situation. In summary, we explored several layers of background checks, starting locally with county court records, expanding your view with state-level and FBI checks, addressing any past issues like identity theft or bounce checks, and emphasizing honesty and transparency in your applications. Seeking legal advice when needed is also important. Thank you for staying with us until the end. We hope this guide helps you confidently navigate your background checks as a permanent resident or naturalization applicant. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe for more helpful content. We'd also love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.